Okay folks, this is a recording sound test. There were some things with the sound that were not quite right last time, and the mouse settings I think could be enhanced. So this is the member planet, that's a left click. This is memberplanet.com with a right click. So we're going to get rid of that. This would be where you would come www.memberplanet.com ClubHouse. Click on join our group. You then have join ClubHouse here, create the account, that's where a new person would be signing up. Remember, the birthday doesn't need to be the actual date of birth. Log in here, and if you've forgotten your password, that's here. So password is there, login is there, new users are there. Click on forget password. You put your email in there. This is just the anti-robot trap, so type in there 1330 and away you go. That will then prompt you to change your password. Had it not expired, reset it and you're in business.